Are you someone who's looking for the best and the latest technology to do on your hair? As a patient, we always want the best for ourselves, the best technology, the best doctor, and the latest advancement in the field of hair transplant. So I, Dr. Deepam Shah, with an experience of 13 years and a successful surgeries of more than 3,500 in the past 13 years, I have curated the latest advance in the field of hair transplant with my international exposure and my success ratio to give out the best result oriented technology called as the Micro FUE technique. This Micro FUE technique stems down from my years of experience when initially I started using 1mm punches. Cut back to 2025, I have reduced that size to 0.8 millimeters. So what does this do to you?
So, hello everyone. Just want to quickly update on what is the Micro FUE technique. So if you see, this is a surgical wound which is done in the morning. It's a 0.8 millimeter and already by the evening, the wound is 80% closed. How nicely the wound is contracted, and you can see very fine hairs which we have left. So overall, this looks like a fantastic work. And this is the Micro FUE technique where the wounds close so fast and it leaves minimal scarring, and we preserve a lot of donor area in spite of removing just 3,500 grafts from this entire area.
It leaves minimal scarring on the donor area. I can remove more number of grafts and creating smaller wounds and preserving a lot of your donor area. Because of smaller punch sizes, I can go very close to each other. That means the density of the hairs which I plant is very close to each other, giving you more thicker, more denser output of hair and give you natural results of hair transplant. For you to understand this, we are using some videos.
So this kind of density and the work which we have done is only possible, as I tried, because of the Micro FUE. Second is because of the Sapphire Tip, which gives like a very close density packing. Because of the Micro FUE, the graft size is thin. When you use bigger punches, what happens? The graft size is very thick, so you cannot go so close to each other. So that's about the Micro FUE technique and the implantation,
which gives you the exact technology which we use so that you can understand what happens during the day of your procedures. So this is the punch which we use, the 0.8 millimeter punches. So this is the Sapphire Tip, which has a very small tip size, creating very small wounds. So what happens when I create small wounds? I can be very close to each other. That means my grafts can be stick to each other. Second, because of the small wounds, there's less swelling. So post-operative swelling, that means after the surgery, some people get swelling on the forehead. In my patient, I can claim in the last 5 years, I have not had a single person who had swelling. So that's a very big claim, and I can abide by that swelling is going to be negligible or almost nil in every patient which we treat at Viva Aesthetic Clinic.